This is an '05 Mercury Montego, but this air filter change will be the same for all this generation. First, locate your air filter box on the driver's side. Lift the clips up and move the hooks out of the way. Then lift up on the top portion of the box and move it completely out of the way. Now we can remove this air filter. It's not the worst one I've seen, but definitely a good time to change it. Make sure you got the right part by comparing your new one to the original. This one's actually better designed. This metal here should keep it from ending up looking like this. You may want to clean out inside this box if there's leaves and debris in here. Now take your filter, the paper side down, put it down into this assembly. Make sure the edges of the filter are pushed down all the way. It's especially important at the bottom because these holes are where the two pieces of the box clamp together. Once you have the bottom end, you can push down in here and reattach the hooks. While you're doing this, don't forget to check the condition of your battery and check your oil level. I'll see you in the next Car Simplified video. Thanks for watching.